Hi everybody, again it's Bonnie Keith with Video Magic Productions, and this is part 2 in my how to use Zoom simply step by step. And I'm going to show you how to personalize today some of the video settings so that you can use them the way that you want to. Down at the bottom right here where it says stop video, I'm going to click on video settings, and that's what we want to click on. This is where, by the way, you can not just adjust your video settings, but as you see, you can go into general, audio, the share screen settings, your chat settings, but we'll go through these in subsequent videos. For now, let's just discuss some of the video settings. So the first thing you'll see is the camera, and mine is my Logitech 510. And then under my video, hopefully you have an HD webcam. You will click on Enable HD. I do not have Mirror My Video. That would turn me opposite from the way that I am right now. Here's an interesting one. Touch up my appearance. So a lot of people, they don't like the way they look on camera. I happen to love the camera. I'm not that concerned with having to touch up my appearance, but just to show you what it will do, it adds a very slight softening filter. So I'm going to turn it on right now and see the difference. So this is not on and this is on. I don't know if you could see, it just softened the face. This is off and this is on. So it might make more of a difference for some of you than others, but play around with that. I think it's a fun feature. For now, I'll leave it on. Meetings. Always display participant names on their video. Why not, unless you have so many people that it's just distracting and you don't want to know who their names are. You have control for your meetings of whether or not the participant names will be displayed. Turn off my video when joining meeting. No, I want my video on. You also have the option when you go on, if you want, you can turn it on or turn it off. Always show video preview dialogue when joining a video meeting. I actually like that. That's where the little box will come up that will allow you to join with computer audio or to join not with computer audio. Hide non-video participants. No, I think we want to know who is calling in on the phone, because otherwise you just have no idea who is part of your own meeting. I actually like to see the non-video participants. I have a spotlight on my video when I speak. That's when the little yellow line comes around your video, and that would be for everybody when they speak. And display up to 49 participants per screen in gallery view. That's the maximum number that you can have, is 49 participants on. They get really little, but you could have them all on one screen. Well, thank you so much for watching part 2, and definitely stay tuned for part 3, where I will go over the virtual background, which I apologize in advance that it wasn't perfect what you saw through this video, but I wanted to get this video out to you without making little precise perfections. But we will discuss all of that so that you will have a much better virtual background in your videos than you even saw in this video. And I think I may also go over the chat box, because there are a lot of features in there that many people are not familiar with, and I think you may find that interesting. So I will see you on part 3 of how to set up a Zoom meeting. Thank you so much.